Hello, and welcome to this module on the outputs of the Evaluate DM Channels process. Selected digital marketing channels are the first output of this process. Channels that are evaluated as most effective for achieving the overall targets for digital marketing are clearly identified. The following needs to be outlined for each of the determined channels. 1. Targets. The SM Study Digital Marketing Evaluation and Improvement Tool helps in determining the targets that each channel can achieve. The sum of the specific targets should contribute to the overall digital marketing targets as defined in the marketing strategy. If there are any overlaps among the digital marketing channels, then these should be clearly identified and accounted for. 2. Budget. The SM Study Digital Marketing Evaluation and Improvement Tool helps in determining the projected investment in each channel based on its ROI and contribution to the overall targets for digital marketing. 3. Usage. This should cover how the channel will be used to promote the product, service, or brand. It does not need to be detailed, but should include how the allocated budget will be used and how the company will use the channel to reach customers. For example, for a social media channel, the usage information should indicate whether the budget will be spent on social media ads or on creating high-quality, shareable content that can spread organically. The next output is the Integrated Digital Marketing Channel Plan. It is important to understand that digital marketing is often used effectively in conjunction with other forms of marketing, such as direct mail campaigns and mass media advertising. As well, when developing a digital marketing strategy, multiple tactics should be considered, and most often a combination of social, mobile, web, and other similar digital channels will integrate and work together to form a complete campaign that more effectively drives sales conversions. Anticipated future scenarios is the last output of this process. Because changes in digital marketing channels occur at a rapid pace, it is important for a company to be prepared for the most likely future scenarios in the digital marketing landscape. This output should contain details of the following for each channel. 1. Most likely changes. These are changes that are most likely to take place in the future. The determination of anticipated changes may be based on expertise from external consultants and information exchanged during meetings and discussions. The digital marketing team should also analyze actual changes that occurred in the past to help predict which changes may occur in the future. 2. Impact of changes. The potential impact of these changes on the various areas of the business, including potential revenue, resource needs, operational impacts, and impacts on the company's products, must also be determined. The impact of the likely changes may be positive or negative. 3. Actions to be taken. Actions that will be taken to mitigate or avoid the impact of harmful changes and exploit positive changes should be described. With that, we've reached the end of this video on the outputs of the Evaluate Digital Marketing Channels process. Thank you for learning with us.